Hey guys, welcome back to Abby's Awesome World. If you're new to my channel, I'm Abby. Today, we are going to be counting how many of the fidgets do I have. Like, how many puppets do I have, how many monkey noodles, kind of that stuff. So first, I'm going to be doing how many puppets. So, I have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 puppets. On to my next one. Now I have to pick up what fidgets that I dropped. Now how many fidget pads I have. I have 1 and 2 fidget pads. 2 fidget pads. I have 2 dimples, a paw print dimple, and a dimple spinner. Next, how many stretches I have. So I do have a banana stretch, but it did pop, but that is okay. I still have it. I can still do this. How many wacky tracks do I have? I have 2 wacky tracks. How many infinity cubes do I have? I have 2 infinity cubes. Galaxy and a regular. How many pop tubes do I have? Well, I actually have a lot of pop tubes, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pop tubes. How many water timers do I have? I have 1 mini water timer. How many marble meshes do I have? I have 2, 3, 4, 5. How many mochis do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bicycle chains do I have? I have 1. How many DNA balls do I have? 1. How many slimes do I have? 2. How many monkey noodles do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkey noodles. How many pea poppers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 big ones, 2 small ones. How many rings do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many spike squishals do I have? 1. So, that is all of my fidgets for me counting them. Hope you guys liked this video a lot. Remember to always have a scooterific day. Bye guys, peace!